Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines. 5 persons were arrested for the brazen and audacious attack on a prominent local restaurant on Kalangut beach. Attack took place last night by an armed group of around 50 persons. Cabinet approved the policy to export 10 to 20 million ton dumps lying outside mining leases. Auction of ore to take place within the next 15 days. Goa is a tourism-fueled state and that is why it is important that protocols be followed so the flow of tourists does not stop. But this is not happening even as the cases are on the rise. Now the news in detail. Government has flexed its muscle to combat any COVID outbreak during party season on New Year's Eve. Party and event organizers have to make fully vaccinated and COVID negative certificates compulsory for the guests arriving at the function. Collector will pass a detailed order in this regard, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said.
The Chief Minister was speaking after the cabinet meeting. The Chief Minister had earlier convened a meeting with the expert committee on COVID. Later, the Chief Minister said a review meeting with the task force will be conducted on 3rd January and a decision would be taken. Now, the government has decided to make compulsory vaccination and COVID negative certificates compulsory. Organizers who do not abide by this order will be not allowed to hold the event.
कलेक्टर आज सांजपर्यंत ऑर्डर काढपाचो आसा रिलेटेड विथ द टुरिझम आणि सगळ्याच्या संदर्भात आम्ही ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केलं ऑर्डर फायनल येऊन आमकां कंपल्सरी एक तर 100% वॅक्सिनेटेड सर्टिफिकेट जर फंक्शनाक येतलो जाल्यार आमी चेक करतले चेक करपाक बी सांगलेल्या आनी प्रत्येक जर कोण पार्टी आसतली किंवा बाकीचे रेस्टॉरंट्स हांगासर ऑर्गनायज करता तेंच्यांनी ना जाल्यार कोवीड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट कारण गोंयकार ऑलमोस्ट 96% डबल वॅक्सिनेटेड आसा त्या खातीर जे कोण पार्टी ऑर्गनायज करता तेणी आपल्या 100% वॅक्सिनेटेड सर्टिफिकेट अदरवायज कोवीड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट ताज्या शिवाय इवेंट ऑर्गनायज जे आसा हे करपाक मेळचें ना पुलीस होम डिपार्टमेंट कलेक्टर डिपार्टमेंट्स आनी हे पळय सन्मानाचो बिग इवेंट जावना खंय तरी एखाद्या बारीक इवेंट आपण खंय तरी रुटीन जे आसा तो ऑर्गनायज केला आसत जाल्यार इट इज तेजो
Chief Minister spoke on the exorbitant water bills. PWD officers did some ghotala in the bills. Some officers purposely did the mistake and they would face inquiry. Don't pay exorbitant bills. The bills would be rectified within 2 months, the Chief Minister said, clarifying the free water scheme is not withdrawn.
Zero bill system ही implement करता असताना आमच्या टेक्निकल टीम्स आणि काही इंजिनियर्स हांच्यानी घोळ घातला आणि ताच्या खातीर बरीचशी बिलां जी आसा ही लोकांक एक्झॉर्बिटंट बिल्स आयिल्ली आसा हांवें ऑलरेडी तेजेर इन्क्वायरी जी आसा काही ऑफिसरांनी चुकोव केल्ली आसा जाणून बुजून तांचेर इन्क्वायरी लायल्या आनी इन्क्वायरी लायल्या आसतना फुडल्या 2 म्हयन्यांत जी चड बिलां आयल्या ती कोणीच पेमेंट करपाची गरज ना त्या 2 म्हयन्यां भितर सगळीं बिलां रेक्टिफाय करतले आनी तांकां बिल्स जी आसा ती परत धाडटले म्हणून ती स्कीम स्टँड स्कीम आमी विड्रॉल करूं ना 16,000 लिटर सकट उदक दिवपाची स्कीम स्टँड करता ओके त्याच बरोबर ज्यांनी कोणी एडवान्स पेमेंट केला ताकाय परत रिकवरी करपाची गरज ना त्याचे एडवान्स पेमेंट डिडक्शन करून ताका फ्रेश बिल जे आसा हे वयतले आनी त्याच बरोबर आमची ओटीएस स्कीम खूबशी तेजो खूब लोकांक हाचो फायदो जालो आनी रिकवरी एप्रॉक्सिमेटली तेजो बऱ्यापैकी रिकवरी जाली ती आमी एक्सटेंड करता वन टायम सेटलमेंट ऑफ द बिल विच इज 31st of March 2022 पर्यंत ती आमी स्कीम जी आसा ती एक्सटेंड करता.
The Chief Minister gave details of the cabinet decisions taken today.
हांवें कलंगूटच्या इन्शुरन्साचेर डिटेलान जे आसा हे म्हज्या डीजीपी सांगला तो रिपोर्ट सबमीट कर म्हणून बट म्हाका दिसता म्हणजे दोगांच्या बिझनेस रायवलरीच्या मदीं जाल्ली ही झगडी आसा त्या खातीर अशा पद्दतीच्या एक्टिविटी गोंयांत थारो दिवचो ना तेजेर स्ट्रिक्टली एक्शन आज सांजे पर्यंत तेजेर स्ट्रिक्टली एक्शन घेतली वयतली अशा पद्दतीचो बिहेवियर टुरिझम मेळना आमी केन्नाच थारो दिवचे ना त्या खातीर कोण तेच्या फाटल्यान आहा पळय ताका काडून सांजचो पर्यंत भितर कलेक्टर आज एक ऑर्डर पास करता कलेक्टराच्या ऑर्डरीक परत एक एकूच सोपय वेगळी ताजे एकाच सांगता पंचायत अमेंडमेंटाच्या बाबतीत जी पॉवर डायरेक्टराकडे असली ती गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे गेली.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panjam.
The cabinet today approved the policy to export 10 to 20 million tons dumps lying outside the mining leases. The cabinet also finalized the rate of e-auctioning the ore. This will take place within the next 15 days.
Around 10 to 20 million ton below threshold ore which is presently dumped outside mining leases will be permitted to be exported. The Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said today, dump handling will be permitted in accordance with November 2021 amendment to related laws by Government of India.
Provided a further that in case of there is overburden or the waste rock or the mineral below the threshold value and which is generated during the course of mining or the beneficiations of the minerals or any minor mineral extracted along with the mineral for which the lease is granted, the state government in consultation with the Indian Bureau of Mines by order and permit the lessee to dispose the such material in such quantity and in such manner as may be specified therein on such payments as may be decided by the state government. ही गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाची नवीन पॉलिसी आयल्या त्यानुसार आमी द ओर विच इज आउटसाइड द लीज एरिया जो आसा हो तेंच्यांनी परमीट केल्लो आसा. SEC कमिटीनूय बी तेन्ना जो आसा पळय न्ही तो एक्सपोर्ट करपाक दितले आमी. इट इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली आतां इट इज एन 20 मिलियन टन ओर म्हणजे 10 मिलियन टन टू 20 मिलियन टन हाज्या मदीं हो ओर आसा.
The state government has formulated a new policy titled Policy for Regulating Mining Dumps on Government and Private Lands and Related Issue to streamline the process, he said. Goa government will auction some of the ore and will receive royalty on the remaining ore, he said.
The next thing related to that only, जरी म्हणजे मायनिंग एक्टिविटी आता बंद असले आमी उरलेले ऑक्शनचो ओर आमच्याकडे आसा तेजे दुसरे ऑक्शन विदीन 15 days आज कॅबिनेटान तेजे रेट्स डिसायड करपा खातीर विच इज 300, 350 आनी 450 विच इज एन 60 ग्रेड 50 ग्रेड आनी बिलो 50 ग्रेड अशा तिनूय तरेचे रेट फायनलायज केला. 15 दिसांनी ताजी पी जी आसा पळय न्ही ऑक्शन हे जाता.
The Chief Minister said that for exporting the dumps, only permission from Indian Bureau of Mines will suffice, but additional environmental clearances will not be needed. Leases who have paid the fine and the royalty will be allowed to export the dumps. The remaining ore will be auctioned by the government.
Indian Bureau of Mines हांची परमिशन घेवपाक जाय. गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियान ताका परमिशन EC ची गरज लागची ना, बट इंडियन ब्युरो ऑफ मायन्सची परमिशन घेवची पडटा.
Ore lying around in Goa can sustain full-fledged mining activity in the state for the next 4 to 5 years, asserted Sawant. He also added that the process related to auctioning of mining blocks is in progress and the government is in talks with SBI in this regards.
Approximately 10 million to 20 million हाज्यापर्यंत ओर आसा. म्हणून हांवें म्हटलां की मायनिंग एक्टिविटी फुडल्या 4-5 वर्सांक फूल फ्लेज रित्या गोंयांत जावपा खातीर स्कोप आशिल्लो ओर गोंया कडेन आसा आनी वयल्यान हो ओर जो आसा हो म्हणजे बेस्ट ऑफ पडून खूब कडेन पळयतात. कारण बाबूय फ्रॉम द मायनिंग एरिया, हांव फ्रॉम द मायनिंग एरियांतल्या लोकांक खबर आसा कितलोसोच ओर जो आसा हो पडून आसा. ताज्या खातीर जो आसा व्हडला आतां तितके बेगीन आमचो प्रोसेस वी आर इन टॉक विथ SBI.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
5 persons were arrested for the brazen and audacious attack on the Souza Lobo restaurant at Kalangut Beach today. The restaurant bang in the middle of Goa's tourism hotspot Kalangut Beach was attacked last night and staff beaten up and premises were damaged. The armed group was allegedly carrying weapons including guns, showing a blatant disregard and lack of fear of the police and administration. Here are the details.
According to the owner, this is the third time now. The incident took place at 10:30 last night. About 50 people arrived at the restaurant and started destroying the restaurant. They destroyed windows, fences, boards, and also a Christmas crib. A gun was also allegedly fired. A total 6 restaurant employees were injured, out of which 3 were serious and are undergoing treatment in the GMC. Police have arrested main suspect Gajendra Singh alias Chotu and 4 others in the connection. Owner Jude Lobo alleged that the businessmen from outside Goa doing business in our neighborhood are involved in the attack.
there was a group of around, I guess, 50 or more people who came here, and they were creating a commotion here at the entrance. When they started that, I went out and I told them not to gather over here, to move from here. As soon as I told that and I was walking inside, I heard some bottles being broken and stuff like that. So I turned around at the gate and I stood over there. And my boys told them not to come inside. When they told them not to come inside, they started hammering them with rods, bottles, stones. They damaged a lot of the restaurant property. I could hear some shots. Now, whether they were gunshots or what, but they seemed like gunshots. Because I could not see who was there out, because it was a big crowd and at night, so the light wasn't that good. The third time that we are being attacked. First was in November last year. After that, in March, and now in December. We had filed an FIR against Rajiv Arora, who is this neighbor of ours, and also one person called Sunil Bomkar, who was here yesterday, who works for Chotu. So my apprehension is that these people are trying to create a lot of fright, not only in our family but in the community. From the last year, I've been following up with the police as well as the authorities who are involved in giving permission to this illegal structure that is here. And since the Panchayat has passed a demolition order and it's pending in the director of Panchayat, he is even more upset. He tried to frame me in lot of fake cases, which all fell flat. So now his only option is to threaten us or to harm us. This is an traditional access that's here. It's been here for 90 plus years since the restaurant is there. This guy has come now. I don't know how the broker has sold the property to him. According to the plan, his property ends over there. Okay. He broke this, so we filed a complaint against his structure, which is an illegal structure, newly built with concrete poles. We filed it in the CRZ also, which till now has not even sent him a notice. No, so now whenever I ask them, they say, we are getting pressure from top. Where is this top? Is the pressure coming from heaven? Otherwise tell us who the guys are, who is pressurizing. Name them if you all are getting so much pressure.
Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said that the attack is the result of business rivalry and such behavior will not be tolerated in the tourist belt. Strict action will be taken against the culprits, he added.
हांवें कलंगूटच्या इन्सिडन्साचे डिटेलान जे आसा हे म्हज्या DGP सांगला तो रिपोर्ट सबमीट कर म्हणून, बट म्हाका दिसता म्हणजे दोगांच्या बिझनेस रायवलरीच्या मदीं जाल्ली ही झगडी आसा त्या खातीर अशा पद्दतीच्या एक्टिविटी गोंयांत थारो दिवचो ना. तेजे स्ट्रिक्टली एक्शन आज सांजचे पर्यंत तेजे स्ट्रिक्टली एक्शन घेतली वयतली. अशा पद्दतीचो मिसबिहेवियर टुरिजम बेल्टान आमी केन्नाच थारो दिवचे ना.
Owner said their family is under threat due to such repeated incident. In past, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant had personally promised them to take action against the hooligans, but he failed to keep his word. If such incidents continue, we would come out on streets.
Last time when this had happened, we had approached the CM, Mr. Pramod Sawant, and he had promised us that these type of incidents won't take place again, that no one will lay a finger on us. I would like to ask the government and the Chief Minister today, what has Goa come to? A Gunda Raj? You all are attacking a family who has no criminal record, who has done nothing wrong. In fact, we are taxpayers. We do all our things here appropriately and well. My children are really petrified of all this that is happening for no fault of ours. And if the government is not going to take an action this time, I am going to come out on the streets with the people of Goa.
Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Kalangut.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A tempo hit the height guard of a railway overpass opposite Tanya Hotel in Vasco. The pact was so severe that the barrier was displaced and blocked and traffic was stranded for hours.
आता जी हायट गेज जी पडलेली आहा तो तेकाच हो रोड कनेक्ट जाता आनी ह्या रोडाक कनेक्ट कित्याक की शांतीनगर मांगूर बोर्णापुरी नेवीचे जावं हो हायवे जो आहा तितून जर वास्को कनेक्ट जावपाक जो हीट हायट गेज होच रोड जो अंडरपास आहा हो खंय तरी कनेक्ट जाता आनी ती हायट जे धाकटी आसल्या कारणान आयज एक टेम्पो ट्रक हो जो तेका हायट गेज आपलोन तर हायट गेज पडलेली आसा लोकांची मागणी आसा की ही हायट वाडोवपाची ह्या ब्रिजाची कारण कित्याक की हांगा जर हायट वाडयली जाल्यार फाल्यां फायर ब्रिगेड्स वेरियस हेवी व्हेकल ज्यो सिटीन कनेक्ट जावपाक भितर वचूंक शकता ना जाल्यार जाता कित्याक की जर हायट वाडोवंक ना जाल्यार फायर ब्रिगेडीक नियरली 5 किलोमिटर टर्न मारून येवचें पडटा फाल्यां जर एक इन्सिडंट जालो जाल्यार तेन्ना लोकांची मागणी आसा की बेगीनच्या बेगीन हायट वाडोवची जेणे करून डबलिंग जाता त्या बरोबर हे काम करून घेवचें जेणे करून लोकांक हेचो फायदो जावचो आनी एक बरी सुविधा मेळची गोवा 365 हिरू महाले वास्कोच्यान.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa is a tourism fueled state, and that is why it is important that the flow of tourists does not stop. However, with cases rising all over, this could be possibly putting the just recovering economy of the state into a tailspin, out of which it would find it difficult to recover.
फाटल्यान दीस आतां कलंगूट बीच आतां लास्ट इयर एंडींग म्हटल्यार आनी 2 दीस उरलेले आसा भरलेलो आहा ट्युरिस्ट भरलेलो आसा इतलो भरलेलो आहा ट्युरिस्ट की जे कितें हे कोविडाचे जे कितें नॉर्म्स आसा ते एकटोय पाळिना असो दिसता कारण पळोवंक गेल्यार विदावट मास्क खुबसो लोक फिरता आनी हो कलंगूट बीच म्हणजे व्हडलो बीच सगळे टुरिस्ट आहा थंय रेअर कोण तरी कोणाच्या तोंडार मास्क दिसता नाजाल्यार 99% कोणाच्याच तोंडार मास्क दिसना एका सायडीन म्हणटात कंट्रोल करया आमी कोरोना कंट्रोल करया आतां तो नवो ओमिक्रॉन येयला डिसीज येयला तो पळोवया पूण तेजेर कंट्रोल कशें करतले म्हाका समजना पयलीं हाडप आनी मागीर तो कंट्रोल करप अशें दिसता कलंगूटच्या बिचा वयल्यान गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप कांबुलकर.
It could be a heavyweight against heavyweight in Kurtore this time. South Goa MP Francis Sardina's son and Congress leader Shalom Sardina has shown interest in the Congress ticket in Kurtorim constituency. Shalom lashed out at Reginald for ditching the party at the last moment and appealed to Kurtorim villagers not to trust the party ditchers.
Former Kurturi MLA and Congress heavyweight Alex Reginald Lorenzo left the party despite him being made working president and his name coming out in the first Congress list. He joined TMC at Calcutta. Reginald said he would convince Kurturi constituents to vote for him and went back to his old complaint that he was treated badly by the Congress. However, Shalom expressed confidence that because of his family name, he would definitely get support from the people.
Already shown my interest. I have told them that if they feel I'm worthy to take this mantle, I'm more than ready to contest this election. I am not a newcomer to elections, though I would like to say that ironically in most of my things I like to plan. Elections has been a scenario where I have not got an opportunity to plan. Way back in 2014 I contested, I got 15 days to contest because the Congress then had denied the sitting MP and had given Reginald the ticket. I was the one who felt that Reginald being a sitting MLA should not be the candidate and they could have given any other Congress candidate at that point of time. Now again it is a scenario where you don't get the time to plan, you are stuck with, thankfully now it's about 1.5 months before elections. So yeah, I'll have to pull up my socks if the Congress feels I'm worthy. If God feels I should get the ticket, I am more than ready to contest. People who do these treacherous acts should not be spared by the public. Because understand one thing, if a person can leave a party, today is the first time in our village that Kurtorin does not have an MLA. For over 8 terms now, or over 11 terms that elections have taken place in Goa. This is the first time that Kurtorin does not have an MLA. So, I feel and I will appeal to the people to reject anybody who is treacherous and who has left a party after being elected on a party to go to another party because of some personal gains. पळय त्या काँग्रेसाचेर आहा कोणाक दिवपा जाय दिवपा नाका तें हांव एक गोष्ट श्युरिटीन सांगू जाता की टिकेट दिली जाल्यार हांव काँग्रेसा बरोबर आहा. माय फादर बीइंग अ काँग्रेस MP is not an advantage to get the Congress ticket, but my father being an MP and 6-time MLA of Kurtorin, it is surely an advantage before you go to the polls, because given that my father has been there for so long, given that being an MP of South Goa, Kurtorin is a part of South Goa, it will obviously benefit me. There are a lot of people who are my father's workers who know me, who have been working along with us. They know me personally, and therefore it will always be to my benefit.
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panjim.
And now for the weather. The weather will continue to remain dry over the state for the next 5 days starting from December 29th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 31 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius respectively.
As forecasted previously, minimum temperatures have remained largely stable and will continue to remain so for the next 24 hours, following which the minimum values are expected to rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Haze and light fog is to be expected over isolated areas until the 2nd of January, and travelers are advised to remain cautious. No weather or fishermen warnings have been issued for the next 5 days. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV. Or download our app, which is available on both Android and iOS to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.